And then you look up and close your arm, stay the moment, don't move, and then up and open. We do our side same, okay? So let go, take the moment, and go front. Back straight, okay? Make your backbone very long. And then we go our side. Give it a moment. Let it go. Go against it. Stretching. And then you're up. And then you keep your arm open first. And arch. And arm close. Stay for a moment. Stay. And up. Very good. So right now, we go turn. And then go hold front leg. Hold your leg. Hand down. Let it go. Stay. Give it a moment. And up. Face the front first. We twist first. And then go front. Hold your leg. Stay. Give it a moment, stay. You can relax more, closer to your leg more. Let go. And then up. Arm open. Yes. Right now we pull one front. This make it big. Okay? If you can't hold your leg, hold the leg. Otherwise, put the hand on the floor. I need you as close to your leg as possible. Let it go. Stay. Stay. And then left side leg, please. Left side leg bend, shift your weight, and straight. Other side, shift your weight, and straight. One last time. Left side, please shift your weight. One last time. Right side. And then up, straight up, and finish it down. Thank you, good girls. Okay, let's sit. Sit on the mat. Okay. Okay, let's cross your legs. Okay, ready? Okay, let's cross, okay? Okay, arm up. We work on arm first. Arm, touch, and open. Hand go with arm. When your arm up, your hand up. Feel your neck stretched and open. One last time. Really pulling tall. Your backbone is straight. Backbone very long, very straight, and open. And circle your hand. And our hand. And both hand. Okay, stay. And then circle your shoulder. Your arm, sorry. Circle. Good. And our side, circle exactly same. Relax your shoulder. Let it go. Very good. And then both hand on the shoulder. Right now we go a little bit big. Circle your shoulder. Close. Open. And back. Okay. Stay. And open. And back. Again. Good. Nice. Right now we do reverse. Open first to the back. To the front. Close elbow. And down. Go back. And up. Close. And down. Open arm. Right now to the side. Okay, stay, sorry. To the side here, don't move. Let go. Right now, use your hand, walk. Okay, so I want long, reach far, 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 far. Walk, walk, and hold. Stay, and up. We do our side once, okay? So I need you to reach very far, okay? Stay and hold first. Let go. And walk. And walk. Continue, reach far. And reach far. Reach very far. Continue. One last walk. And stay. Hold, don't move. Let go. And up. Very beautiful. Right now, put your feet together. Okay, we work on the hip. Relax. Let it go. Good. And then hold it down, okay? Push a little. We don't need a big push yet. Just give it a moment, let open your hip. Stay there for a moment, let it go. And we do relax again. Yes. Okay, this time you give a little more push down, okay? A little more. Yes. Also stay there, let it go. Let your hip open. Stay. And very good, okay? So right now you hold your toes. Use the bottom hand, hold your toes. And then you go down. And relax. 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 Right now, you have to reach out. Use your hand. Reach out, go down. Stay, let it go. Let it go. 4 more counts, let it go. And beautiful. Hold your toes again. We do one more time. Go, relax. Relax. Okay, reach out. Stay. Let go, feel your lower back stretched. Stay there. Tighten it down, relax. And then up. Okay, good. Right now, we do one leg open. And then this time we go forward. Okay? Stay there and all the way down. A little bit bigger, okay? Feel your hip, let it go. Stay there. Let it go. And up. Right now we change the other side. Change the other side.